Changsha Image Intelligence Technology Company is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research and development, production, and sales of industrial inkjet printing control systems, printer boards, DTF printer, etc. It is located in the National Economic and Technological Development Zone, where there are lots of large production-oriented enterprises, and the occupying area is 150,000 square meters.
Hello, welcome to Changsha Image Intelligence Technology Company. One-stop printing solution experts.
以上是打印方案专家。
Image focuses on following products such as DTF printer, UV printer, UV flatbed printer, printer ink, printing film, printer head, as well as printer board, and strives to promote the innovation and development of printing technology.
We have professional, technical, and after-sales service team with rich experience in this field. Our software and programs are updated in real time according to customer needs.
Image holds regular meetings every week, and each employee will communicate during meeting and adjust their work status to maximize their work potential. Image
has a strong culture atmosphere. They focus on staff leisure after work.
Image has always taken the development of high-quality products as our goal, and independently developed a variety of inkjet printing schemes and matched printer boards. Our products are widely used in advertising, photo, decoration, packaging, and printing, clothing, metal, toys, ceramics, and other industries. Image Intelligence Equipment Company mainly offers DTF printers, UV flatbed printers, cylindrical printer, wall and floor printer. Our products have been exported to foreign countries and warmly welcomed by our customers. The following video is from the printer effect demonstration video provided by a customer on site. Image Intelligence has a professional packaging and delivery team and ensures that the goods are packed firmly and delivered to customers' site.
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.